Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mazda RX-7, and this is by Hotwheels, and I bought this for MRP, which is 179. Again, I bought this from local shop, not on any online websites. So a lot of people are keep asking me the same thing, to drop me a link or to tell them from which site I am buying this. But I am not buying this online. I am buying this from offline shops who know me very well, and they are buying this specifically because I am getting a lot for myself and for my group as well. So they are arranging some boxes for me. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I just wanted to start with telling the initial impressions of this casting, but the moment I saw from my point of view here, I can see a lot of paint damage here. Okay, yeah, here it is. This is not. This is actually some paint damage here. You can see here, and let me just do one thing. I want to give a fair review, so let me do this. Okay, so here it is. So now there are no fingerprints, and but there are a lot of paint damages. You can see a lot of dots everywhere, and but that is not design. That is something wrong with the paint job they did. As you can see here, a lot of scratches. It happens only with metal. Let me just. Okay. So it is these are pop-up headlights, so obviously they are not going to paint anything there. So they have some kind of detail here for Mazda, which is nice if you ask me. At least they did something right. It says police here, and as usual there are no tail light details or nothing in the rear. It has some interior detail to it, which is really nice. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is actually plastic. So let's do a roll test real quick. No. Okay, the entire car actually rolls a lot, and I'm talking about pitch and roll, not rolling like this. So it rolls a lot, and the wheels wobble a lot. Honestly, this is not really good. But casting wise, if you really like to customize this one, this looks a pretty good casting, and you can really customize this very well. I really want to see someone customize this specific casting. So I'm saying this for at least one or two castings in my videos, at least in a week. I hope really someone customizes it and shows, okay, I really did this and how this one looks. I really don't have that much time, to be very honest with you guys. So, and on top of that, I really don't have that much patience. That's the truth. That's one other truth on top of the time management. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.